So we will demonstrate the knot tying by hands by three methods. In the first part, we will demonstrate with the help of a rope for easy understanding. Second, we will demonstrate with the help of color tapes. And third will be real-time simulation. About the basic setup, I have already spoken in my first video. So there will be two ends of the ligature you want to tie around a structure. One will be long end, one will be short end. So ligature has to go around the structure, and the end which is coming toward the left side or below the structure you want to ligate will be on the left side. So you have to follow every step in a letter and spirit, then only you can mimic in the initial part, and as you progress you will invent your own ways. So I'm holding the shorter thread in a Kathak mudra, classical Indian dance technique, with the help of my thumb and the index finger, and on the right side, that is the longer thread, I am holding above the index finger and thumb. So this is Kathak mudra, and over the index finger. So now I am making a loop of the shorter thread along the fingers and making a cross with the help of this longer thread. Just notice the position, and now my middle finger come below the shorter thread, and I am holding again with the help of index and middle finger and sliding the knot. So this is the critical step, that you don't pull the knots, you slide the knot with the help of finger over the structure, and you don't move the structure you want to ligate at all. So it is like while you are tying a knot in lever. So these are very important maneuvers, small tips and tricks of the trade. Now see how I rotated my hand around the basically shorter thread, and holding the thread with the help of thumb and middle finger, and with the help of index finger I am making a loop, and again holding in Kathak mudra and sliding the knot. No way I am pulling the thread, I am sliding the knot with the help of finger movement. Again, this is a repetition of the first step, Kathak mudra, repeat, and this goes and slide the knot. So initially it may seem a bit difficult for you guys, but it's the best way, the best technique. After thousands of knots, if not lakhs, we have applied in our patients, and you keep repeating the first step and the second step, so alternating, and it is a very good skewer and square knot. And as you progress, your speed will improve. So you have to practice with the help of rope, with the help of color tape, and then you will gain more confidence. As such, I don't follow taking the first double loop, but sometime it may be required, and as a surgery resident, as a budding surgeon, it should be part of armamentarium. So how to take the double loop first knot as a double knot. So again, the technique is same. I am holding the shorter thread which is coming below toward the left side with your left hand, and with your thumb and index finger, Kathak mudra, and another hand is over the index finger, and I am taking the first loop. Then you hold this rope and again give another bind around this longer thread. So this is a skewer and square surgical knot. It's a bit thick rope, so it's not sitting properly, and if you do it with the suture, then it will sit beautifully. The rest of step is same. You rotate the hand around this thing, make a loop over the index finger holding the middle and thumb, and you keep repeating. And only first knot, or the first knot, you should take a double loop if required. Otherwise, I said, we follow simply taking the first loop, and it sits beautifully. So friends, now we have reached the end of this video. So every stitch you make brings you one step closer to mastery. Embrace the challenge, embrace the journey, and become the skilled surgeon you aspire to be. I hope you have already liked the video and subscribed to our channel, and if not, do it right now and hit that bell icon for all the future updates.